Hey, it's James with Carps Bees here. Let's see what's going on these landing boards in this 100-degree heat. You can see the bees are really interested in fanning. Butts in the air, they're cooling, they're directing heat directly into the hole there. So it's a hot day. They know it. There's some fighting going on still. Look at that. Raider or somebody trying to come in here and they're not having it. That's London for you. They're scrappers. Here we have the new Mega Hive. We're going to check on this in a minute and go inside. So I think all the bees inside here are coming from Constance. And again, it's a hot, blazing hot day. So looks like there's a lot of fanning going on the outside. Here's Constantinople, Constance. And they're all clumping on the outside here. Again, I think it just has something to do with the heat. Hope, Leia, you can see. Let's take a look at Inseni. You know, Inseni probably has the most bees. And it looks like they are, there's not too many outside. I'm looking at this though. What is this? Are those eggs? They pulled eggs out? I don't know. I don't know what that is. Are those pollen packets? I don't think so. Okay, that's a weird one. Not sure about that. You have to look that up. Here we got Egypt. We're gonna check in on Egypt in a minute. They've been pulling rubber bands out, I know that. They're kind of more in the shade here because of the configuration. Same with Athens here. Got the tree on one side, a little shade from the other hives. These are the couple new splits. Athens is one of the new splits along with Mega, so we'll see what's happening there. And way down here we got Rome. The rowdy hive on the end. They got some, looks like some cleansing stuff maybe on the outside there. I don't know what that is. That's not good. We should get farther away from the hive when we do that. I don't know. Maybe that's a bad sign. We'll keep an eye on it. Don't see any other, just that one spot. So, alright. So, what are we going to do? Let's real quick check in on two hives. We're going to go into Athens here. Just see what's happening with Athens. So, I don't have the smoke with me right now. Bees are already a little bit in my face, so this may be a quick look. But I'll just set the phone up here. Hopefully it'll stay. See what we got. No bees on the inner or on the top cover. Couple on the inner cover here. I'm keeping a hive tool in here now from now on. Just so I have one handy. I'm trying not to cross-contaminate as much. So let's just see. We're just going to do a real quick check. Well, that got them lit up. Here they come. Alright, so real fast. We got this prison in here for queens. It has not worked at all. Just gonna pull this out. See if anything good is going on with this. No queens have emerged that I can see. I'm about ready to call this a complete bust and just open this all up, get rid of this frame. Yeah, there's just nothing. We're just torturing the nurse bees at this point that are inside. Yeah, I don't see a queen in here. Double check. Just some bees that want to leave. So Let's look in the sun. Let's see the setup. Alright, so that's a bust. Put this back in gently. Hard to do here. Alright, so what we did have, and I forgot to mark it, is they have actually built themselves another queen cell. So I'm just going to look real fast, see if I can find it. This looks like it is all honey. Oh, I think I found it. Alright, let's see what we got going. Here it is. This will probably get them riled up. Oh, it's, well, whatever was in here has emerged. And I don't see another one. And what I'm looking for is eggs. That'd be amazing. This hive's going to just continue to weaken and die off if something good doesn't happen in terms of a queen. We might just have to get a queen and introduce a queen in here. So that cell, if that was the one, it has emerged. Could be a queen in here. Honey frame. Honey frame. They're getting a little wound up. Pushing my luck without the smoke in these guys. Just be real careful here. Again, I'm just double checking that there's no eggs on here and no miracle queen that has showed up. This box is not queen right. It is hot today, ladies. I know you know it. Alright. Alright. Oh, there, I pinched a bee. She wants to sting me. Not happy. I don't blame her. It's hot. It's a hot day for this crap. No queen. Alright, nothing good happening so far. There's a lot of bees. It may seem like, wow, this is doing great, but no, because these are all tiny babies from the last batch of brood, and you know, they're building calm. They're doing what they're supposed to do. But there's no eggs, and that's because there's no queen. Simple. Simple, simple. So what we're gonna do, not today, because it's too hot and it's too late in the day, but tomorrow, maybe. It's all honey. They got food at the wazoo. Look at that. Okay. There's a deep box that's mostly empty. I doubt there's anything good going on down there, just based on what I'm seeing up here. But we're gonna have to introduce some eggs into this and give them another chance. So tomorrow what we'll do is we'll come out and get rid of this prison. It's a waste of time. We'll put a frame of eggs in and we'll go from there. So there you have it. Easy, easy. All right. Come on, girls, get out of the way. So that is the Athens update. No Athena as of yet. wait patiently. Oh, there's a big old spider though. Look at that. Wow, that's a cute looking spider. Let's see. A little jumping spider. Oh, 2 spiders. Having a just a little sex going on here. Spiders. Okay. Oh, and I always do this. My new system to add the this in. I always forget it. All right. Okay, so that's a bust. Let's check Mega. Right over there. So this is Mega Hive. Brand spanking new. We're just going to take a quick look. First of all, I shook a ton of bees in here from Constance. 3 frames, 2 brood honey, nectar, and then 1 really loaded with eggs. So we're just going to take a quick peek inside and we're going to close it right back up because they're just getting rolling here. But I just want to see if they're making a queen cell. Well, they're busy. Look at that. So that's all we're looking for. So this is a 9 frame configuration. Let's I really want to be careful here, so I'm just looking down in. Let's just see if they're building on any of these yet. Oh, they are. Look at that. So, oh yeah. So these are these really deep frames. They're already building some comb on there. That's surprising. All right, so let's take the regular, and see what's happening. Aha! Just as I suspected. So here you have it. Look at that. They are building queen cells. This is great. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 queen cells under construction. All right, so let's not F it up. Let's just put it back in. Glad I did 9 because that's really tight. Okay, so there you have it. Good start, little bees. All right, go Mega. And if we ever get a queen out of here, we're gonna call her Medusa. So Medusa will be the #1 queen for Mega. Oh, I think I crushed a bee, damn it. Okay. You can see the inner cover. Put a little melted wax on that, and they're just circling it. The last one we could check is Anglin. I'm gonna leave Anglin alone. Since losing that queen and it being my fault, I'm gonna leave him alone.